Ay, kaba, iba pala. Oh, look at her. How to use this one? How to? Oh. Yeah. Isa pa lang kuha niya, oh. Isa na pala. Where? There? Ah, wow, it's very nice, huh? Put here. Wow, it's a special fish, huh? Yeah. Bismillah. Very nice. Very nice fish. Woo. Bismillah. Dumi yung kuha niya, oh. Okay. Wow, gandang kuha niya, oh. Isang kingfish tsaka isang kuha na special trevally. Okay. Ako mag-casting din.
Near far.
Huh?
Near or far?
Wow. Strong, big.
Maybe same fish.
Big, huh?
Maybe same.
Oh, it's big, oh. Problem. You're lucky, huh? You got to.
Maybe king.
No, this is big fish. Maybe it's jumping.
Oui?
Maybe squid's jumping.
Then point.
I'll cut you a video. I will send you also, huh?
Oh.
Oh, this one is a big kingfish.
Oh, yeah, there.
It's a big kingfish.
Okay.
I have a channel.
Ah, okay. YouTube?
Oh, it's a, oh, shit.
Oh.
I lost. It's a big, I lost.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Oh, hey, it's coming, it's coming.
Yes, coming.
Ah, this is my big mistake. I changed this hook into a small one. This one. Tinalitan ko ng maliit na hook. Kaya na unhook yung giant kingfish. Kaya binalik ko yung normal na hook niya. Kasalanan ko kaya na unhook yung kingfish dahil dito. Pinalitan ko ng maliit kanina. Kaya binalik ko din yung malaki. Sana makahuli ko ulit yung giant na kingfish na yun. Sige, bye bye.